In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to minify JavaScript on your Wix website. Minifying your JavaScript can be crucial to improve loading times and thus enhance the user experience on your site. So let's get started on the process right away. We first start by reducing the size of the JavaScript code you've so far put into work. To achieve this, we use an online tool which makes the task lucid. There are several free online tools available for this purpose, like the TopTal JavaScript Minifier or minify.org. These tools can compress your code, making it faster to load and run without compromising its functionality. Now, assuming you've already got some custom JavaScript code that you wish to minify, you'll need to copy it. Make sure you've correctly selected all of the code to ensure nothing gets left out in the minifying process. Once you have your custom JavaScript code copied, it's time to paste it into the online minifier of your choice. This could be something like the TopTal JavaScript Minifier or minify.org. On the Minifier's webpage, there will usually be a text box where you can paste in your code. Following this step, the tool does all the work. It'll compress the text you've pasted into a minified format. When the Minifier has done its job, there will be a new version of code provided by the tool. You'll want to copy this newly compressed or minified code. Be sure to copy everything to not miss out on any part of the code. With the minified JavaScript code copied, it's time to add this code to your Wix site to replace the original non-minified version. You first need to log into the Wix dashboard. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to Settings, and then find the Custom Code section. Within the Custom Code section, you'll find the existing JavaScript code that you need to update. Initiate an edit here. This is where you will replace your old code with the minified version. To finish off the process, paste the minified code that you copied earlier into the text box meant for this. Ensure there are no extra spaces or unnecessary characters added during the pasting. Once done, click Apply to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've now significantly reduced the size of your JavaScript code, thereby potentially increasing your site's performance. It's a simple process, but it can make a world of difference to your Wix website. Whether you're a seasoned web developer or just getting your feet wet in the world of websites, it's important to always strive for efficiency and optimal performance.